on YouTube. We back with another video. So as you see, I'm in the car right now. So I'm getting ready to head up to this meetup spot where we about to go ride out, and they about to do some slideshow. I'm not gonna participate in it this time because I need tires and I ain't trying to fuck shit up. So that's mainly why I'm not doing. I might do a little something, but for the most part, I'm probably just gonna chill and just watch and get video of everybody else doing it. But I'm gonna go ahead, drop the intro. Then we should be either at the meetup spot or we're gonna be at the spot where we showing out and everything like that. Hit it.
Slide, 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 slide. I ain't gotta slide on him, I slid. There's no what I did. I mean, his gang know what I did. I'm gon' kill it again. Aim for the chest, for the neck, and the chin. Headshots really be the best, I'ma win. Fake, bulletproof vest, he a kid. He really bullshit. What I'ma do it? It's time to slide on him. It's time to slide, slide. It's time to, baby, ooh. It's time to slide on him.
You heard him. Everybody ain't here yet. We'll give it some time. Oh, let's get here before I go to work. We'll be good. Put your late ass. On that one. Shit.
This is practice for people like Unc to learn how to goddamn do it. Come on, bitch. And you better not hit me either. On my mama, boy, you better not hit me. He been doing that shit since like he got a license, bro. He had a dime, bro. My mama.
I be had to kick more, you know what I'm saying?
I had to do it since he got my mama, bro. I gotta go to the hospital. Real aggressive, like. He saw him motherfucking neck. Who the fuck got the way I said, man, this nigga. Shit, man.
Okay, he got that shit. So check this out, man. So we was out here in Mexico, everybody's doing their thing, and police showed up, but he one of them officers that was kind of cool and everything. He said, yeah, y'all gotta find y'all a spot to do something like this. I tried to be there. I said, you know these places? He's like, nah, but you just can't do it here. I was like, all right. But shit, I kind of got mine in, though. Understand something, though. Ain't even no damn houses out here. He said a homeowner had called. It ain't no damn houses out here. So, I don't know. Let's see, it was what? It's on 215. See where we're about to go to next before I head to work or whatever. I feel like it was this motherfucker right here. Wasn't that damn truck. Bro, take your ass around, bro. You probably the one called it. Ain't had shit else to do. We ain't hurt nobody. Ain't bothering no damn traffic. Just take your ass on. Look at him. Yeah, you look like somebody would call the police on some shit like that. Well, as you can see, this is the next day. I'm at the spot at the moment, about to start getting ready for work and everything like that. But we pretty much, after we left there, when the police came out and just said we had to go somewhere else, just rode around the city for a bit, hung out till I went to work. Oh yeah, go Gators, baby. Gators beat the Bulldogs. But anywho, that's a different story. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that. Share with your family, friends. I'm trying to grow a little bit. I think I'm like up to like 12, 15 subscribers at the moment. Hey, that's cool with me. If somebody watching, I'm cool. Also follow me at on Instagram at ImMoparRick. And that's mainly why I be here for the most part. Oh yeah, I know y'all see them trophies right there. That's for my charge. That's a different story. I tell y'all on a different day. But until then, I'll catch up with y'all later, and I'm out.